Hello, change agents. Welcome to week 7 Coming Attractions. This is an exciting week. It's the last week for you with us. So Lisa and I are both going to miss you terribly, but for the time being, let's talk about what an exciting week we have ahead. So this is the week where you have a culmination of all you understand about change. So you're going to be talking about change vision. How can you inspire that and continue to nurture a change vision in your environment, in your organization? It's a great time. As we found out, the pandemic offered us opportunities to stare deep into what might have been an abyss about how do we move things. But what we've done is made some great opportunities happen as a result. So thank you for being on this journey with us. So you are going to submit your group journal entry. You are also going to complete and finalize and present your change plan group project, the 6 elements that are highlighted in your week 7 description of the change management plan. We're so looking forward to what you want to change about the MSOL program. Your input, your intent, your authenticity, everything counts here. So thank you so much. It will be a great week. And if there's any questions, remember Lisa and I remain available to help. Take care.